I think I will not be able to review the product. Yes, this review is going to be a failed review, because how can I review the product? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I am going to review this Dr.sheths gulab and glycolic toner. You already know from the title of the video. Now this is not a regular toner जिसको आप दिन में अपने फेस पे 3-4 बार लगाते हो, स्प्रे करते हो, ठीक है? So if you have clicked this video, please watch this video till the end, because इसको आप ज़्यादा लगाओगे और सही से नहीं लगाओगे, you can burn your skin. Okay, so be very cautious and watch this video till the end. So if you want to save your money and watch all these reviews before buying this, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. It's a spray bottle and the material is plastic, and when you and the spray mechanism is not that great, to be very honest. As you can see that I'm spraying it, but ये नीचे की तरफ आ जाता है. So the spray mechanism is not that great, to be very honest. This is the outer packaging which says Dr.sheths for Indian skin, gulab and glycolic toner, exfoliate, brighten, clarify, pH balance, dermatologist formulated, non-comedogenic. If you flip this, you will get to see it on the other side. It says rose extract, hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, 5%. Remember, this is a 50 ml product. They also have a 100 ml that's available in the market. So 50 ml of this product retails for rupees 499. Talking about the ingredient, they only mention the key ingredient, not the full ingredient list. They don't share it on their packaging. If you want to see their full ingredient, you have to go to their official website. Now, talking about ingredients, if you have seen my earlier video, which I'll link somewhere over here or here, there I have talked about their ingredient list and the order of the ingredients in their ingredient list, how there's this mismatch in the order of the ingredient list, and also the ingredient list जो नायका के official website पे है और जो Dr. Sheth के अपने official website पे है. But this time what happened for this product, that they have mentioned over here the concentration of glycolic acid is 5%, but in their official website they have mentioned the concentration of the glycolic acid is 2.5%. I think this review is going to be a failed review. So in their packaging they have mentioned that their products are paraben free, sulfate free, non-toxic, gen friendly or vegan product. So the product is non-comedogenic. Expiry date of this product is 24 months from the date of manufacturing. At the start of the video, I told you that be very cautious while applying this, because this is not a regular toner, this is an exfoliating toner. By that what I mean is that पहले हम क्या करते थे, हम लोग scrub use करते थे and physically अपने face को scrub करते थे, right? So this is also going to do the same thing. This is also going to remove our dead skin cells gradually, but यहाँ पे हमें manually, we don't have to physically scrub our skin. This contains glycolic acid. Now glycolic acid is AHA or alpha hydroxy acid, which is water soluble. So basically this is good for dry skin people or people with normal skin. AHAs are water soluble. By that what I mean that they will not enter deep down into your pores. Okay, these are going to work on the surface level of your skin. This will help to exfoliate and remove the dead skin cells or shade your dead skin cells. And this also will work on your pigmentation. If you use this for a longer period of time, then this will definitely help to get rid of your pigmentation. When a product is going to remove your pigmentation and also your dead skin cells, your skin will become smooth and bright in longer run. इसको use करके जाना पड़ेगा. Skincare is a journey. You have to give time to the skincare products. If you are planning to buy this or any other exfoliating toner or exfoliating product, chemical exfoliant basically, please be very cautious, because you don't need to apply this every single day. Okay, firstly you have to apply this during night time. Don't apply this during daytime, because this will make your skin photosensitive. Okay, so you don't apply this in the daytime, you only have to apply this in the night time. Second point is that you don't have to apply this every single night. Okay, start with, if you are a beginner, start with once a week. Okay, once a week you apply, because generally जो physical scrub bhi hota hai, you don't apply it every single day, right? So in this week, suppose you are applying it on Monday, then the coming week also you apply it on Monday. So do like this for 3-4 weeks and see that how your skin is reacting. If your skin is not reacting and is working well, then what you have to do from the second month, what you do, you apply it twice a week, maybe a Monday and a Thursday, then again the next week Monday and Thursday. So like that you apply on your skin. As this contains glycolic acid, which is active potent ingredient, please don't layer your skin with another active potent ingredient like retinol or something like that. So if you apply this in the night time, in the morning, please do apply a sunscreen, otherwise you are going to make your skin photosensitive. So that's all in my today's video, guys. If you like this video, find this video helpful, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And if you want to save your money in the future, because I do a lot of review videos and I save a lot of your money, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.